how to own your own unbeatable USP to have professional growth. What do you do day in and day out? Do you realize that it is your strength only? So this strength that you do have, why do discount that? And many people, as per a US report, say that they feel like they are underutilized, or they are disturbed when they follow their strengths. They are unhappy, that is why they leave from job to job, but it never happens that they find out a suitable job. And for an employer, it is always welcome to embrace diverse strengths. So, what do we do as an employee to focus on our strength? It is to find out the unbeatable USP that we have. USP, of course, we can find out as our strength. But how to make it unbeatable is something that we have to do. Partly it starts with recognizing the strength in ourselves, and it goes on to add value to others at workplace, and then it becomes an impact. So it is first the result and immediate outcome, of course, but the impact, the long term impact. When we talk about impact, two things come to my mind. It is about whether we are achieving right now something, or we are helping people to achieve something. Both the cases, it helps to achieve an impact, a desired impact. Whether the personal success comes to you at first or not is immaterial. That is what is coming to my mind. So when the personal gratification is not coming to us at the moment, what do we do as employees? I propose to do two things. Again, it is about focusing on what we like to do, and the small things that we do, keep on doing, it will compound, and that is a normal thing. It is an obvious thing, and as a result of our intervention, our being catalyst to somebody else's growth right now, it should not deter. Of course, it takes a lot of patience and maturity to handle that. But eventually, those things, those sudden growths will not be long term unless there is maturity. By the way, what is the harm somebody getting to that recognition and then maturing for a better thing? I agree that it takes lot of patience, lot of maturity on our part to have that kind of mindset. But ultimately, the game is like this only. The game is about perseverance, wait for our own turn, do everything, small things every day, and play to the action plan that we have in mind. So for that, we need to have that action plan, and patiently we need to stick to that. That is the success mantra, I would say. And it starts with this unbeatable USP of ours. Hope you will understand this and embrace these formula. in your career also. By the way, if there is any confusion, do please book a call with me so that we can resolve this. Everybody's problem is very different from another person. Small thing here and there, and it gets very different. So let us resolve it out. I shall wait for you.